I got this hair from Asteria hair, you guys. I don't think it came with the box because, and if it did, I don't know where the box is. I have no clue. But I'm gonna be honestly installing and styling this wig from Asteria hair. Now I've already bleached the knots on this unit. I literally just plopped it on my head. I have not even applied the glue or anything yet, but I will say that this lace is absolutely awesome because it already blends in with my scalp. Yeah, it already blends in with my scalp extremely well. And I didn't have to pluck anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with customizing the unit. I have on very minimal makeup right now. I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm just wearing concealer, highlighter, and the rest of what I usually end up wearing. So I wanted to kind of just do like an ethereal look for today, which is kind of what I usually do, is like an everyday makeup look. So that's what we're gonna do, and hopefully you guys like this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna just, get started with the styling and then get into the specs of this unit from Asteria hair. First, I'm gonna just use my clips right over here that I have going on, and I'm gonna just clip my hair back. And this is a cap size small. It's actually pretty small, but I mean, this fits my head perfectly because my head is not big at all. Alrighty, I got the Got To Be Glued spray and we're gonna go in. Now we can get started. And I really hope that this ends up laying down as soon as I put the Got To Be Glued. I feel like it should. Like, this lace is also very transparent. I don't know, this might become my everyday wig if the lace is good. I feel like I just gave myself more of like an 80s summer look, because I have like the kind of like, I gave myself a little bit of like a sparse bang look with my hair behind my ears. Yeah, this is how everything is looking. I really do like this. I like how natural the lace looks, honestly. Powder in between here. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to get into the specs of this unit, since I just went and did like a pretty easy style for you guys. And I kind of like this part to lay a little bit more flat. Okay, this is the curly wig. Okay, I'm gonna get into the specs and also the cost of this unit from Asteria hair. So this wig is 180% density. It's a lot of hair, you guys. This is probably one of the thickest units that I have at the moment. What I like to do is usually for the front section, I usually like to put hair mousse foam and also like, I guess water, like a spray bottle, whatever, just to make sure everything is like laid out and everything and looking good. And this gives me a really natural option, honestly, for summertime, because I don't really have that usually. And like, this looks like it could be my real hair, I guess. I also could just go in and like, I don't know, thin everything out just a little bit more. Yeah, so yeah, I honestly like this hair for summer. I actually might keep this as like my go-to wig. It's saying a lot right now though, but I really could end up doing this. And if I wanted to straighten it, I could also do that as well, and it would have like a nice texture to it. And this is a deep lace. It's 13x4 lace front, so it goes pretty far back actually. And the knots bleached so easy on this unit. Like, I didn't have any issues. I only had to bleach the knots once, and I didn't have to leave it on for that long either. So Asteria hair has really good quality lace if you're looking into a wig. It just turned out really natural looking, and I wasn't necessarily, well, actually it does say that the lace is HD lace, so you are getting that. Usually companies now, for some reason, when they say HD, it's not actual HD lace. Like, this lace is actually a good material. It's a lot thinner, and it's giving you that quality that you need if you want to just throw on your unit and put your got2b glued spray and then leave the house. Like, that's all that you have to honestly use for this. Yeah, the texture is phenomenal. I like a little bit of kinkiness to my wigs because it looks more natural that way in my opinion, but you are able to go in and like use like a wet line extreme or something and make it really defined if you want, but I personally feel like that's a lot of work. A nice in between is just using a hair mousse or like a hair mousse foam with water. Like, that's literally all that you need, and it's super low maintenance, and you just kind of just scrunch up your hair a little bit and then you're good to go. I like myself with big hair. It's hard to tell sometimes because I go back and forth between the two so easily. The hair is actually very, very soft. You can run your fingers through it. I guess I do experience a little bit of shedding, but it is curly hair, so that makes a lot of sense. But yeah, I think I am liking myself with big hair. I don't know why. So I'm gonna go into the price of this unit. It's going to be $330.32. So with the amount of hair that you're getting, it's pretty standard, I guess. Like, it makes sense. I mean, there are cheaper wigs out there, but because it's HD lace, you're gonna have a way easier time bleaching the knots, first of all, plucking it and having it look extremely natural. I would definitely look into more HD lace wigs from the website because they do a great job on it, and it actually is HD lace. So definitely, I would give it a yes on that. I can't stop playing with it. It's really, really pretty. It's in a natural black color, so yes, you can dye this hair. I personally am not going to dye it. I don't really like dyeing curly wigs because it's way harder to dye. It's just a lot going on with that, so I prefer not to. And I also put it in a side part. I feel like curlier wigs like this, it has to be a side part for me. I can't really do a middle part, even though I absolutely love middle part wigs. Don't get me wrong, I love them so much, but yeah, I usually don't. But this is really pretty. I'm probably gonna be rocking this for the summertime because I can just literally throw it on and it's just really pretty. So I think that's it for this hair review. I'm going to honestly go in and take some intro shots for this unit, and that's all that I really have to say. They just did a really good job on the lace and everything and just how natural everything looks. I might have to go in if I really, really want to wear this out and just go in and pluck it more. Which I don't normally do, but I might end up doing that just because I'll be wearing this a lot. I think that's it for this hair review. I hope that you guys liked it from Asteria Hair. I'm gonna put the wig down below for you guys, so be sure to go ahead and check them out. And yeah, if I have anything else I want to do with this, which I could honestly, I could straighten this hair, but it would take so much time. I have to decide if I really want to do straight hair for the summer still, or just keep this curly hair. I really don't know. It's so hard. It's so hard. Okay, anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day. And yeah, bye.